A major perspective, though, is that the information that's there comes from different disciplines that don't speak the same language. So the chemist does not speak the same language as the physician, who does not speak the same language as, who does not speak the same language as. And so we have all these different perspectives, sort of like what's going on in the world today with the blogs and wikis and things. We have all these different perspectives, and they all speak kind of different language. So how do I take these different worlds and different discourses and bring them together to make sense? And that's this medical clinical world, okay? So the analysis in that world, which goes on, this federated analysis that goes on, is really how do you take across these multiple disciplines and make them then plug together and make sense from one another, that I don't need a human to intervene in between these things, which is what I have to do today. So overwhelming amount of data in both these exercise, green, grid, and health,